To this point, we have seen different types of experiment present in this topic. Now next experiment present on the page number 54, magnetic field due to current in the solenoid. That is how magnetic field is produced by the solenoid. Before learning this point, we should know what is meant by solenoid. When a copper wire with a resistive coating, that is plastic coating, is wound in the form of chain of loops or in the form of a spring, then it is called as a solenoid. All of you have seen the copper wire with a plastic coating. It is called as a resistive coating. When you bend that copper wire in the form of spring, when you make the spring of copper wire, it is called as a solenoid. When we pass the electric current through solenoid, then magnetic field is produced. So before learning this point, we will take the question of your exercise, question number 9. So answer of that question is the explanation of this experiment also. So we are going to take question number 9 of your exercise. What is the question number 9 of your exercise? What is a solenoid? Compare the magnetic field produced by solenoid with the magnetic field of a bar magnet. That is, you have to write the definition of a solenoid and you have to compare the magnetic field produced by the solenoid with the magnetic field produced by the bar magnet. Bar magnet means the magnet which is in the form of rectangular magnet. All of you have seen the magnet in the shape of rectangle. It is called as a bar magnet. So you can see here the diagram of solenoid. In this diagram you can see these are the spring-like structure of the copper wire called as a solenoid. This is connected. In this diagram you can see this is a battery, this is a current, this is a spring-like structure, that is solenoid. This is a north pole and south pole created by the magnetic field. When current passes through the solenoid, magnetic field is produced. So these are magnetic lines of force. Magnetic lines of force is nothing but magnetic field. So you can see the parallel line also passes through the solenoid. These parallel lines are also magnetic lines of force. This is also magnetic field produced by the solenoid. So naming of the diagram is essential. This is a battery, this is a plug key, this is a solenoid, north pole, south pole, and magnetic lines of force. Magnetic lines of force is nothing but magnetic field. So these are imaginary lines produced by the solenoid when current passes through it. Now next diagram is bar magnet. You can see here bar magnet, rectangular shaped magnet called as a bar magnet. It has two poles, south pole and north pole. Always magnet have a two poles, south and north pole. These circles represent magnetic lines of force. That is, these magnetic lines of force produced by the bar magnet. That is, magnetic lines of force is nothing but magnetic field. So these two diagrams are essential. That is, this is the magnetic field produced by the solenoid and this is the magnetic field produced by the bar magnet, and we have to compare magnetic field produced by both these things. So what is the question 9? What is a solenoid? And compare the magnetic field produced by solenoid with the magnetic field of a bar magnet. So first you have to write the definition of a solenoid. When a copper wire with a resistive coating is wound in a chain of loops or a spring, it is called as a solenoid. Second, the magnetic field, that is magnetic lines of force produced by current carrying solenoid are similar to those of bar magnet. That is, magnetic field produced by the solenoid is the same as that of magnetic field produced by the bar magnet. So these two magnetic fields are same. One end of the solenoid act as a magnetic north pole and other end act as a magnetic south pole. That is, you can see here one end of the solenoid act as a south pole and one end act as a north pole. So the magnetic lines of force inside the solenoid are parallel to each other. If you see inside the solenoid, magnetic lines of force are parallel to each other. The point is the intensity of magnetic field within the solenoid is uniform everywhere. that is the magnetic field in a solenoid is uniform. You can see here parallel lines present inside the solenoid. These parallel lines is nothing but the magnetic field inside the solenoid is a uniform. The magnetic field inside this solenoid is a uniform. So this is the experiment of a solenoid. The magnetic field, when we pass the electric current through solenoid, then magnetic field produce around it, and this magnetic field is similar to bar magnet. That is, the magnetic field produced by the bar magnet and magnetic field produced by the solenoid both are same. So this is the experiment regarding to that, and the magnetic field inside the solenoid is uniform. You can see here the parallel lines passing through the solenoid. These parallel lines are nothing but magnetic lines of force. So magnetic field is produced when current passes through the solenoid.